Artificial Intelligence Dr. www.abcpharma.net/English. User question. While physical activity can help maintain a more youthful immune profile in many aspects, the accumulation of senescent T cells appears to be largely driven by antigen exposure and irreversible differentiation processes that are not significantly affected by exercise. What are the causes of antigen exposure? Claude AI answer. Antigen exposure occurs throughout an individual's life and can be due to various factors. 1. Infections. Exposure to various pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, can stimulate an immune response and lead to the generation of memory T cells. Repeated exposure to the same pathogen or cross-reactive antigens can contribute to the accumulation of antigen-specific T cells, some of which may become senescent over time. 2. Latent viral infections. Certain viruses, such as cytomegalovirus, CMV, Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, and varicella zoster virus, VZV, can establish lifelong latent infections. These persistent infections can continuously stimulate T cells, leading to the accumulation of virus-specific T cells, many of which display a senescent phenotype. 3. Vaccinations. Vaccines expose the immune system to specific antigens to generate a protective immune response. While vaccines are essential for preventing infectious diseases, they also contribute to the accumulation of antigen-specific memory T cells over an individual's lifetime. 4. Environmental antigens. Exposure to environmental antigens, such as pollens, dust mites, and pet dander, can trigger immune responses in some individuals and lead to the generation of antigen-specific T cells. 5. Food antigens. In some cases, exposure to certain food proteins can stimulate an immune response, particularly in individuals with food allergies or sensitivities. 6. Self-antigens. In autoimmune disorders, the immune system mistakenly recognizes self-antigens as foreign and mounts an immune response against the body's own tissues. This can lead to the accumulation of self-reactive T cells, some of which may become senescent. 7. Chronic inflammation. Persistent low-grade inflammation, which can be caused by factors such as obesity, stress, and age-related processes, can expose T cells to inflammatory mediators and contribute to their differentiation and senescence. The accumulation of senescent T cells is a gradual process that occurs over an individual's lifetime due to the combined effects of these various sources of antigen exposure.